Was it full blast?
Yeah.
Was?
Yeah, a lot of the times.
Okay. Oop, wait a minute. I'm not getting anything. Oh, there it is.
Not this one. But my B-17 does.
Hey, that'd be cool. Both of you flying if y'all can get kind of a little circle formation.
What I'll do is I'll set the pace.
All right.
When I get up there, and if you want to get close to me. I think your plane's going to be faster than that. I'm slow.
All right. He's up. Whoa, he's up. Okay.
Now he's behind you.
Oh, slow down, Rick.
I will as soon as I get her adjusted.
How can you tell if it's adjusted or not?
What's it not feel?
I ain't playing easy.
Okay, they're going to cross vectors here. Vector, vector, roger, roger.
Rick,
Yeah.
watch your ass. It was silver when it left and now it's yellow. I know. Keep an eye on Rick's thing.
There you go.
Oh, bird moved.
Bow, 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 bow.
Damn, first strike.
Whoa.
Nice.
Thunder.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
There you go, slow her down.
Not doing it.
There you go. Bump. The wind put the tail around.
Yeah, went the wrong way. Mine can't get that far away.
You'll land? I want them to fly.
Well, once you get up, you got to come down one way or the other.
You better be able to land.
Fix that down.
There we go.
Oh, chip it?
Yeah, well, just a little bit.
Whoa.
Damn right.
Did it chip it off?
Huh?
Did it chip it?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
Just scraped it a little.
That'd be okay.
Yeah, I got it in balance again.
All right. Oh, don't fly in front of the lawnmower.
And there's a flaps.
All right.
The little plane, 2 landings, and the gear's still closed. The wrong way? Right here. Oh.
They still froze?
Yeah, it's still closing. Look.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, I think they make a little better one. It looks the same as Dynam's. Looks like identical to Dynam's, but. All right. There's our field maintenance over there. Yeah, he's not having no problem.
Going on high rates. The walk. He's got to do the walk.
I think it dropped.
He got it out of.
The walk of shame, oh donkey, walk of shame.
Thank you for making it so far away.
Da, da, da. There goes my plane, oh the walk of shame.
Anytime I can, I keep it close. But every once in a while, the wind will blow.
Walk of shame, oh baby, walk of shame. All right.
Away from the trees.
He's up. Zoom.
Too high, bro.
All right.
The shade, there we go.
I don't know, it depends on if you want to be cold or hot. Whoa.
Damn, I didn't want to break a prop on this P25.
Well, they get an adapter and go to a 2-blade. Or just get an adapter so you can find you one that you can get locally. That's actually calmed down a little bit. I think it's less than 10. Okay, there you go. You're coming this way slowly.
He didn't see the curb.
What's that? You looking for fire ants down there?
It's right there. Get it.
He was flying, he tripped over the curb.
Ah. Where is it?
I wish I had a dime for every time I tripped over the curb.
Looks like it got away from him.
I don't even see it. I think it went down somewhere over there.
He's doing a lot of walking and swimming, isn't he?
Yeah.
Well, that's how we get our exercise now, is after our airplanes.
Now, that could even be a Johnny Cash. Shame is a burning thing. I fell into the walk of shame. And I walked. Yeah.
GPS. Lock.
I walk of shame. I walk of shame. Oh, sing it, June. Shame is a burning thing. I fell into the walk of shame.
You're gonna be like, where is it? That's how he gets hurt.
Pre-flight setup.
Oh, he found it! Yay! I think yay.
Man, you went way over there where we used to crash. That's where Rick lost 4 or 5 planes over there.
Rick?
Yep.
Alright. We're good then.
The dead zone. All right, we got all kinds of action here. Did it beep, 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 ling-a-ling-a-ling? There it goes. Whoa.
Find Tony, would you?
Damn it, I forgot to turn on the camera.
Ah. Well, this dementia, it's terrible, isn't it? Bring it back, bring it back.
Oh my God, you want one?
Yeah, I'm having a fight.
Whoa. All right, get her down, get her down, get her down. There you go. Let her go. All right.
That's what we like to see on video. Good crap.
He's found it. Can you hear me?
Maybe not with the wind blowing.
Are y'all walkie-talkieing back and forth?
No.
Oh.
Well, maybe,
Oh shit! No, yeah.
maybe he's got selective hearing.
Do it again.
Takes a beating and keeps on ticking. All right.
Coming in with a slow pass.
All right. The sky's getting full.
Uh-oh. Oh my God.
Oh. Yeah. I thought that was a skeeter coming after me. Oh, swat it.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Good job, Mr. Coyote.
Oh, shit.
Ah, shit.
Get it too high.
Stop. Put your foot off the gas.
Oh, come on, man.
Feel the power a little
You're
bit.
not touching it. It's flying by itself. That's
I got it, baby. Hold the stick back. Let it come down.
there it is.
Free fall.
You coming in?
Not yet. It's not moving from that
Whoa, whoa.
Sorry. Okay, keep it over on the other side of the street.
I believe you did that. Land it.
Try not to bump into my $500 quadcopter.
Slow out of our way.
Tony.
Oh shit, you see that lost connection? That happens a lot out here.
No.
There you go. Now land it.
You didn't like it, you.
You know, lost you. Oh, there you are.
We got one in the air.
He's getting weak. All right, I want to try to fix the gates now.
Really? He's been doing it the whole time.
You're doing fine, brother. You just got all your exercise today, though.
Yeah. That's not just stuck off, did it?
Yes, it did.
It was way the hell down
Did you have it in that? And
Yeah, look at that. Wind's perfect right now. It's just about dead. All right.
Nice.
fucking thing for $50 is fucking awesome.
He's having a good fly day. Amazing.
as long as he stays away from freaking trees. Keep away from the trees.
Well, and Commander Eagle Eye's in good form today. How long can he keep this up? Inverted.
Bird up here. What? Is that one of ours?
You can go like this.
There we go, inverted. Whoa. Nope, he's upright this time.
Oh my God.
Hard to tell. He's just all over the place today. Yeah, we got a really nice crosswind going too. I think it's about 6 to 8 miles an hour right now, which isn't normally bad, but when it's a crosswind, it's tough to fight.
Tree Limb Tony.
No, you didn't.
Tree Limb Tony.
Fly out there. That's
Tree
the rule
limb,
out
Tony.
there.
Tree
Fly
limb,
out
Tony.
there, not behind us.
I don't think we're
I don't think No. I need my help.
Get him, Sid. Get him.
What's that?
Filming good.
Well, I don't know how long I'm going to be able to do this, but
Goes upside down again.
I know.
All right, Tony, retreat to the gun. Supposed to get good at it. You fly upside down, you really fly.
That wouldn't make any person sit down and never fly ever. There you go. Put it back on. There.
Damn.
But he found it, right? Liver? Oh my gosh.
Probably landed on one of those buildings.
For it.
You gonna bring her in low?
Ah.
That was too
That
low.
was pretty good.
That was too low. Shame is a bird.
All right.
Okay.
Walk a shame, walk a shame. Walk a shame.
Now, he's got to get there before the lawnmower gets there.